Hello English learners, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of using the same old phrases every day? Do you want to sound more like a native speaker, more natural, and more confident? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into 10 essential daily English expressions that will completely transform your conversations. Ready to level up your English? Let's jump right in. First up, instead of the classic "how are you?" let's make it a bit more friendly and casual. Try saying, "How are you doing?" It's a simple switch, but it makes you sound so much more relaxed. For instance, if you see a friend, you can say, "Hey Sarah, long time no see. How are you doing?" It's a great way to start a warm conversation. Next on our list is a super cool and casual greeting. "What's up?" This is the perfect replacement for hello when you're talking to friends or people your age. It's informal and very common. Imagine you bump into a classmate. You could just say, "Hey Tom, what's up?" And a typical response could be, "Not much. What's up with you?" Easy, right? Alright, let's talk about humor. Sometimes you say something as a joke, but people might take it seriously. To avoid any confusion, just say, "I'm just kidding." Or even shorter, "Just kidding." This immediately lets the other person know you're not being serious. For example, you could say to a friend, "Wow, you're wearing that." "I'm just kidding. It looks great on you." It adds a playful touch to your interactions. Now, for goodbyes. Instead of just bye, a warmer and more caring way to say farewell is "take care." It shows that you wish the person well. As your friend is leaving, you can say, "All right, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care." It's a small phrase that leaves a big, positive impression. Moving on to number 5, how do you agree to a plan? Instead of a simple "okay," try "sounds good." This phrase is incredibly useful and positive. If someone suggests, "How about we grab coffee this afternoon?" you can reply with an enthusiastic, "Sounds good. What time?" It shows you're happy with the suggestion. What if something amazing happens? You need a phrase that matches your excitement. That's where "that's awesome" comes in. Use it to express that you are genuinely impressed or thrilled about something. For example, if your friend tells you, "I just got tickets to the concert," you can respond, "No way. That's awesome. I'm so happy for you." Here's a super useful one. When someone apologizes for something minor, a great way to respond is "no worries." It's a casual and reassuring way to say it's okay, or do you worry about it. So, if a colleague says, "Oops, sorry for sending the wrong file," you can simply say, "No worries. Just send the correct one when you can." It keeps the atmosphere light and stress-free. What do you say when you don't have the answer? It's perfectly fine to admit it. Just say, "I'm not sure." It's a clear and honest response. For example, if someone asks you, "What time does the store close tonight?" and you don't know, a perfect reply is, "I'm not sure. Let me check online for you." Okay, imagine you're about to start a task with a group. To get everyone motivated and on the same page, you can announce, "Let's get started." It's a fantastic phrase to kick things off. Whether it's a meeting, a project, or even cooking dinner, a team leader might say, "All right everyone, we have a lot to cover today. Let's get started." And finally, our 10th phrase. When you're saying goodbye to someone you expect to see again soon, you can use "see you later." It's friendly, common, and implies you'll meet again. As you're leaving work, you can say to your colleagues, "Have a great evening, everyone. See you later," and there you have it. 10 fantastic expressions to make your daily English sound more natural and fluent. Great job, everyone. The key is to practice. Try using one or two of these phrases today and see how it feels. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more lessons, and share it with your friends who are also learning English. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.